Finally, EVOLV Catalog has arrived. Today I'm going to walk you in through EVOLV New Architecture Catalog, showing you how to explore in it and how to find the most important information for your architecture or interior design project. The catalog begins with a summary section, followed by a detailed product description page. The summary provides a quick overview of the entire product line. Each row represents a product and includes key information to help you understand the catalog instantly. Here's what each element means. The product code is the unique identifier for each material. Availability is shown using colors indicator, green or orange. Page number tells you exactly where to find the full product details. Flame icon indicates that the material is fire certified. New arrival. The new label indicates that it's recently introduced to the new products. And picture icons. The camera icons confirm that a visual reference or material image is available. On the next page, you'll find the index where you can see the different material categories. Next to each category, you'll find the page number. In the description guide, we'll find a sample of material, along with the material code and the range it belongs to. Along with this, we'll find the availability indicators, meaning if it's green code, it will be delivered immediately. If it's orange code, means that it has to be a pre-order only. We can also find the design and technical inside. The interior design inside are some of the recommendation and design ideas directly from interior designers. And we have the technical team inside that are focuses on installation recommendation and technical specifications provided by our technical team. We have 7 categories in the catalog. The first category is vision, designed specially for glass surface, allowing you to customize windows and partitions without replacing the glass. These themes are ideal for offices, retail environments. The vision collection includes frosted, decorative, gradient, and pattern options, making it easy to create modern and functional spaces. The next category is exterior, designed for outdoors and exterior application. These materials feature weather-resistant finishes and outdoor textures. We have the Florix. It's a smart alternative to traditional flooring materials. It features a durable, thick construction that ensures long-lasting performance, even in high-traffic areas. This includes a protective PVC layer which helps protect the surface from scratches and daily foot traffic. The next category is Eco, our PVC-free collection. All of the Eco materials are fire certified, making them suitable for both residential and commercial spaces. This category includes a wide range of finishes, such as solid colors, fabric textures, marble, concrete, and different types of wood, including light, medium, dark, and painted wood. Next is Pure, a collection designed to give surface a high-impact visual upgrade with incredible realistic finishes. Pure includes 6 ultra-realistic ranges. And finally, we have our custom print solutions. With custom prints, we can print virtually any design. This is a quick overview of EVOLV Architecture Catalog and how to navigate it. This catalog was designed to help architects, designers, and installers easily find the right material for their projects, with clear technical information and visual reference all in one place. If you'd like to learn more or request samples, feel free to contact us or visit our website. Thank you.